What's up, guys? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do another unboxing this Power Surge. And again, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a multifunctional power strip. And again, this is a security and a protection. And it comes with 12 outlets, 3 USB, and then 1 USB-C. So again, we will see here. So again, the what's in a box here, I think it's just the power strip. Yeah. And again, we will see, and we're gonna start unloading here or unboxing. So but before that, guys, it's a technical data. It's about the model is a ZYC05, and it's a 110 250 volts AC, and it's a 10 amperes. And again, was that safety product, overload protection. And again, the specification for this is 12 AC outlet with 3 USB A and 1, and then 1 USB-C. And then the materials for this one is ABC plus fireproof materials. And also this is a 5 volts to 3 amperes. That's right. So again, the length of this cable is about 9.8 feet or 3 meters. So there you go. Again, we unbox this power strip, and we'll see what's in the box. We'll see. Bang bang. Okay, so again, they have here the manual for this multifunction power strip. And again, don't need it, but this is what we need. Ooh, nice. I like it. I like the impression of this power protection. And again, it's a tower, and on each of them they have 3, 6, 9, 12, and each of them they have their own power. Again, it's probably it's for a save energy, so probably that's why they have this 4 power switch on each 3 outlets. But then again, they have here a on and off switch for the main one, plus they have here their power. So yeah, I don't know, that's the only thing, they don't have it here. But again, this is about 3 meters long. The power cord, yeah, it's really long. You can imagine 3 meters. It's very long. So yeah, but anyway, we'll just as long as it's really good. It's really durable. Their outlet is very durable. But again, what's in here? They have it 3 USB and USB-C. And yeah, basically, guys, everything is good. And they have those slippery thing that won't run. So yeah. So again, that's good. It's all plastic materials here. So what do you expect? And again, this is about $37 in Amazon. And this is not a sponsored blog, but again, if you want, you can go on Amazon for this power surge, and yeah, you can try this one. You can put multiple outlet, as many as you can. You have space of 12 outlets, and again, there's also for your USB if you want to charge your phone or whatever, and then you have your USB-C. Nowadays, USB-C is plugged into your iPhone, going to this outlet, so it's gonna be nice to have one of those, right? So yeah, so that's my impression, guys, and again, I hope you like this one. I basically like this one because it's very much compact, and for my station upstairs, I have lots of. I need some monitor, printer, and then my computer, my other gadgets. So I think the 12 is fine for me, and hopefully it works on this one here. But yeah, I will show it to you later on if how it looks like if I'm going to put this one in on my office, and we'll see the performance on this one here, and hopefully yeah, no issue. Yeah, usually the issue for this one here, it's just the switch, but on this product, hopefully didn't have any problem with that kind of issue for the switch to be broken or something. So, but again, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing here with this a tower power surge. It's very much simple, and all you have to do is just to plug in your in the outlet, or you have any USB-C. Yeah, it's very much simple and very much straightforward kind of a product. So, but again, my impression, guys, is really good. The price range is fine, and hopefully the performance on this. But I have my cousin that has same as this, and he said that there's no problem on the one that we bought it last time. So again, yeah, I hope you enjoy. And again, if you have any comment, just let me know. And you can buy this one in Amazon here in Calgary, Alberta. So again, guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. So again, my name is NoyTebs. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.